Welcome to this instructional video, outlining the suggested steps required to install a set of Kit Masx canopy and wheel masks to your model kit. The steps outlined in this video can also be applied to other model kits for which a matching Kit Masx set exists. For the purposes of this demonstration, a 1/48 scale North American F-51D Mustang model kit by Airfix will be used. This particular model kit comes with several canopy and windscreen options, and one of each has been selected and prepared for painting. An assembled and partially pre-painted wheel is also prepared. Kit Masx has two mask sets associated with this model airplane type in 1/48 scale. A genuine Tamiya tape set, part number 48-110T, and an Auramask 810 vinyl set, part number 48-110V. This video will use the Tamiya tape set, but the installation instructions can also be used with the vinyl set. Tools used in this demonstration include a hobby knife with a new blade, a marker, wooden toothpicks, fine tweezers, liquid mask, and a small paintbrush. To access the mask sheets, open the plastic product envelope and with tweezers, carefully remove the mask sheets. This mask set contains 3 mask sheets. Do not discard the Kit Masx product sheet in the envelope, as it contains important installation information. Each sheet contains a number of adhesive-backed pre-cut masks that are easily removed from a backing sheet. Kit Masx endeavors to match the model kit's plastic part numbers with the corresponding mask cutout, as indicated in the mask product sheet. For this video, Canopy E3 in the model kit was selected and is shown in the diagram. In many cases, different manufacturers make kits of the same airplane type, the Supermarine Spitfire or North American F-51 Mustang being two popular examples. It's possible for Kit Masx sets specifically designed for use with one manufacturer's kit to be used on a kit of the same airplane type and scale by another manufacturer. However, subtle differences in plastic part design between manufacturers could result in minute discrepancies being detected when applying the masks. Some additional mask trimming or resizing may be required in these custom use cases. Looking for canopy part number E3 on the product sheet, it's found here, which corresponds to the mask sheet that contains canopy and windscreen cutouts as shown here. For simplicity, the location of the E3 canopy cutouts are marked on the top edge of the mask. The outer canopy masks are marked on the left, and the inner cutouts on the right. The windscreen cutouts are marked on the bottom. Starting with the aircraft's left side outer canopy, peel up one corner of the corresponding cutout with a sharp hobby knife or other implement, being careful not to damage it. Then using fine tweezers, slowly peel the cutout away from the backing sheet. Position the mask on the canopy in a key location as accurately as possible. It may be necessary to reposition the tweezer's point of contact with the cutout in order to have more control of placement. Slowly press the remainder of the cutout in place where it naturally falls. If the final placement is out of alignment a little bit, simply peel back the cutout with a wood toothpick and adjust the initial placement point and orientation. When the cutout is properly placed, use a toothpick or fingernail to press down on the leading edges to prevent paint from wicking onto the canopy behind the mask. Repeat these steps for the second outer canopy mask, being careful to ensure that the two masks align perfectly with each other where they overlap. Now apply the inner canopy cutouts using the same technique, but be aware that the concave nature of the inner canopy surface may make this step a little bit more challenging. Switching to the outer windscreen now, apply the 3 cutouts. And lastly, the 3 inner windscreen cutouts. Referring to the product sheet's placement diagram, areas shown with light blue indicate where extra masking is required due to the complex curved surface of the canopy. This can be accomplished using masking tape, which requires careful trimming or cutting, or more easily using a liquid mask product. A peelable art masking fluid is used here. Pour out a small quantity of masking fluid onto a nearby surface, and then using a small paintbrush, carefully apply a coat of fluid to the bare areas that require additional masking. Here, the windscreen needed liquid mask on the inner surface only, while the canopy required liquid masking on the inner and outer surfaces. Set the parts aside to thoroughly dry before applying any paint. This Kit Masx set also provided cutouts for the wheels and airplane lights. For this demonstration, the assembled wheel has been completely pre-painted with silver aluminum paint. The mask set containing the wheel and light masks is located, and the wheel hub cutouts are removed from the sheet and applied to each side of the wheel. After painting the wheel flat black, the cutouts are carefully removed. To reveal perfect silver wheel hubs on a black tire. Here, the masked windscreen and canopy parts were painted aluminum silver on the outer surface and zinc chromate green on the inner surface. The color choices may not be historically accurate, but instead were chosen to highlight the two distinct colors on the finished canopy. Slowly remove each mask cutout, taking care not to damage the clear plastic parts, as they can be easily scratched. As cutouts are removed, liquid mask may also come off of the parts. Any remaining liquid mask can be gently rubbed off the plastic part with a thumb or finger. A soft dry cloth can then be used to remove any residual dirt or fingerprints.